Question 1, part A, simplify m to the power 3 times by m to the power 4. Now, we know that when we have two numbers, m and m, to different powers, we can just add the powers. So m to the 3 times by m to the 4 is the same as m to the 7. There's the answer, m to the 7. Another way to think about this is we know that m cubed is just m times by itself 3 times. And similarly, m to the power 4 is just m times by itself 4 times. So therefore it follows that m cubed times by m4 is just m times by itself 3 times again by a further 4 m's. The total number of m's would therefore be 7. So I'll just show you that there. There's m cubed times by m times m times m times m. There's our m to the power 4. So we have 7 m's there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So m cubed times m to the 4 is m7. Part B, simplify 5np cubed all cubed. So again, we remember that any numbers, any indices or any powers, when they're expanded outside the brackets, they multiply. So for any number a and any to any power m, all to any power n, we say that a that's equal to a to the power of m times n. So how does that relate to 1 part B? Well, we have 5 times by n times by p to the power of 3, and that is all cubed. So we need to times 3 by each power within the bracket. Now 5 is just 5 to the power 1, n is just n to the power 1, and we already know that p is p to the power 3. So we can just times by each of these powers. So 5 becomes 5 cubed, n becomes n cubed, and p becomes p to the power 9. We can simplify this further because we know that 5 cubed is 125. I'll just prove that now. 5 times by 5 times by 5, 125. So there's our answer, 125 n cubed p to the power 9, because when we have a power outside the bracket, we times that by any powers inside the brackets. 1 part C, simplify 32q to the power 9 times by r to the power 4, all divided by 4 times by q to the power 3 times by r. So 32 divided by 4, we can straight away resolve that. 32 divided by 4 is 8, so we know there's going to be an 8 at the beginning of our answer. And now we know 8 will be on top. Now 9. So we have another rule here. Q to the power 9 divided by q to the power 3. We can just take these powers away, almost in the reverse sense of what we were doing earlier with the multiplication for 1 part A. So we have q times by q 9 times divided by q times q times q. So we can cancel out, we know any number divided by itself is just 1, so we can say that the q's cancel and we'd be left with q to the power 6. Similarly, r to the power 4 divided by r to the power 1 is just r to the power of 3. Because it's just shorthand, any number, let's say a, is actually just a to the power of 1, because it's just a, there's just one of them, whereas a squared is a times a. So yeah, I hope that's clear. If there's any questions, please comment down below. Thank you very much for watching.